Viewers, you are welcome to continuation of our presentation on this book, Formula Method for Distribution of Inheritance, where in this case we are going to look at situations involving inheritance of agnates. We have identified 5 configurational setup in this case. The first case scenario is where you have a single agnate inheriting in an inheritance. And this is actually a mere transfer of ownership by jurisprudential provisions, which we also call trivial in mathematical terms, since it does not require any computations. The second case is where a posthumous is outlived by multiple agnates. Say, for example, a posthumous outlived by sons. The third case scenario is where you have a posthumous outlived by agnates coexisting alongside female sharers. In this case, they are going to inherit as co-shares with females. And we invoke the divine formula, Zakari Hazir Husseini, to able male a share equal to that of 2 females. The third configurational set of or the fourth one is where we have agnates coexisting alongside other sharers like sister, uterine sister, full sister, uterine brother, consanguine brother, and so on, who by virtue of the presence of agnates are excluded completely from inheritance. And then we have the fifth category, where we have agnates inheriting alongside sharers like father, husband, mother, who they cannot exclude. And so the inheritance is now consists of both class 1 shares and class 2 shares. These are the 5 configurational setup we shall consider in this category, inshallah. A posthumous outlived by multiple agnates. The illustration is as follows. We have a posthumous here, it can be a male or female, outlived by 4 sons, S1, S2, S3, S4. These are the agnates. According to our formula, ESS share is going to be total estate divided by N, where N is the number of agnates. In this case, N is equal to 4, since we have 4 sons here. So it means estate share is going to have 4 parts. Each of the agnates gets 1/4 of the total estate. For example, the first son S1 the share is going to be the same as share of second son, is the same as share of third son, the same as the share of the fourth son, and each is going to be total estate divided by 4. We shall illustrate with an numerical example. Suppose the bequeathed estate has a total value of 400,000 naira. Then by our formula, ES, our estate share, is going to be 400,000 divided by 4, since the number of agnates, in this case sons, is equal to 4. So that the first son gets 400,000 divided by 4, which is 100,000. So is the second son, 400,000 by 4, 100,000. The same with third son, 100,000. And the fourth son, 400,000 by 4, which is 100,000. So if you add up the shares of the fourth son, it's going to amount to 400,000 as required. So thank you very much.